guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna build a slide for my fridge. The main parts for this build are 2 sliders and 4 pieces of alloy angle. They have to be the same size as the sliders. Then you mount your sliders to the alloy angle on one side, and then you mount your second piece of alloy angle to your slider on the other side. It should look like this. The goal here is to put your fridge between the 2 sliders on a wooden board, so you have to take some measurements and cut it. I added 2 flat alloy bars on each side to hold the fridge tight in place. The bolts were obviously too long, so I had to cut them. I also had to make an accurate cut on the wooden board to fit my lateral alloy bars. Then you have to screw the wooden board to the slide and the slide where you want it to be. My fridge didn't have any handles, so I had to build one. And Lisan put it in place.
So that's it for the fridge slide. It's not really difficult, but you have to be pretty accurate in your measurements and drilling and stuff like this. Once again, I didn't put any lock on it, so if you have any ideas how and where to lock it, put a lock on it, please tell me that in the comment section down below. I will be glad to hear that. I'm pretty happy with how it turns out, and I really hope it's gonna help you to build yours. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page, and my merch store. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.